Shall we start with the rhymes? Say yes, ma'am. Say yes, I'm ready. Okay, here it goes. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little Indians, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little Indians, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little Indians, 10 little Indian boys and girls. Hooah, hooah, shoot an arrow. Hooah, hooah, shoot an arrow. Hooah, hooah, shoot an arrow. 10 little Indian boys and girls. Are you all with me? Are you all dancing with me? Come on, follow what I do. 10 little Indians jumping in the forest. 10 little Indians jumping in the forest. 10 little Indians jumping in the forest. 10 little Indian boys and girls. Hooah, hooah, shoot an arrow. Hooah, hooah, shoot an arrow. Hooah, hooah, shoot an arrow. 10 little Indian boys and girls. 10 little Indians dancing on the fire. 10 little Indians dancing around the fire. 10 little Indians dancing around the fire. 10 little Indian boys and girls. Hooah, hooah, shoot an arrow. Hooah, hooah, shoot an arrow. Hooah, hooah, shoot an arrow. 10 little Indian boys and girls. Are you all dancing with me? 10 little Indians going for a party. 10 little Indians going for a party. 10 little Indians going for a party. 10 little Indian girls and boys. Hooah, hooah, shoot an arrow. Hooah, hooah, shoot an arrow. Hooah, hooah, shoot an arrow. 10 little Indian boys and girls. 10 little Indians jumping in the forest. 10 little Indians jumping in the forest. 10 little Indians jumping in the forest. 10 little Indian boys and girls. Hooah, hooah, shoot an arrow. Hooah, hooah, shoot an arrow. Hooah, hooah, shoot an arrow. 10 little Indian boys and girls. 10 little Indians, 9 little Indians, 8 little Indians, 7 little Indians, 6 little Indians, 5 little Indians, 4 little Indians, 3 little Indians, 2 little Indians, 1 little Indian, boy or girl. All of you clap for yourself. Did you enjoy the rhyme?